Hello guys, this is Lego by Christy, and today I'm going to present to you my Lego folding knife. I made it with Lego Technic pieces because I don't like that classic Lego bricks. I think they're boring. And I copied the Cold Steel Voyager XL Tanto version. Is like this one here. And now let's open it. I also put this Lego Hero Factory badge on it because I think it looks much cooler with it. And now let's open it. It looks almost exactly like the Cold Steel Voyager, and it also has the same dimensions, 30.5 centimeters long. But I think the Voyager didn't have this line here, but I couldn't integrate the lock in other place. And basically how this works is like it has this pin here and these 3 pins, and they go into these holes, and the small one is locking in. And now it's locked. It's a really strong lock. It's basically like Cold Steel Stride locks. That's the Voyager's back lock, and it's really strong. And I made a system that helps the blade when it's in close position to not go like this. It's the same thing as the locking in position mechanism. It's this, but this time it's a lot smaller. It has just that small pin and a normal X pin that go into the 2 holes, I think here and here, and lock the blade. Now it won't go, and you can one hand open this knife, sort of. I hit something with it. Wait a second. Okay. You get the lock in this position. You unlock the blade from that, and then you swing the blade up and lock it in place. And now it's open, and to close it, just unlock the blade and snap it in place and lock it and put the lock back in. And this was the knife. It took me just, I think, 2 hours to build it. But I've seen some videos with other people that took 2 days to build such knives that couldn't lock in place, or the blade went something like not over this. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye bye.